Ever wondered what it might be like to start making hundreds of dollars extra every month just for doing a little bit of easy work? Today I'm going to show you how to make some money, and you can start right away. But first, remember to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our Make Money Online videos. Today I'm going to show you a website called GetPaidTube.com. All you have to do is go on this website and fill out surveys, play games, watch videos, and more. They have offer walls, surveys, and games to play so you can start earning money. In 3 simple steps, you can start making money with extremely easy tasks that shouldn't take long. After you complete a task, you earn points. 5,000 points is equal to $1. Then, redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrencies, or gift cards. It's that simple. You can see some of the fun games they have available here for you to play. Playing games is an easy way to earn money online, says the website. They have games like pool, jigsaws, arcade games, and many more. Watch your earnings grow by taking part in these games. You can see the high-paying survey section here. Start getting paid just for answering some survey questions. You have new offers every day. Imagine just making money from doing online surveys and playing games. What an easy way to make some extra cash when you'd probably be spending your time on social media anyway. Why not make money instead? First, you need to sign up and join as a member. Fill out the required information and complete your registration. When you finish, it will take you to your account details where you can see your points, and you can also see the leaderboards. You're then ready to start completing the offers. Remember, you need a PayPal account to get paid, so take note of your PayPal details. Have fun, and remember, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any uploads where we show you how to make money online. Until next time, bye!